Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Trader. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and trading strategies. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the stock selection for tomorrow based on the candlesticks pattern. So let me look at what are the stocks which is filtered by our scanner. So let me try to see what are the stocks which we are going to focus for tomorrow. Let me open charting. So the charting will give you some great idea to find out your logic, right? So on that we are going to focus for we doing reversal stocks for tomorrow based on the doji and hammer, such a kind of things. And doji at top. So we have three stocks, and based on the highest level where the doji is forming, and shooting star also happening in Hara Pharma. There is a four stocks we are going to focus for a selling opportunity. Let me check what how the stock looks like. So one is HAL on daily time frame. We find out the doji. So here looks like a great and higher wick is greater than the lower wick. So the price got rejected on the upside is more compared to the low. So this may be a great idea, or the chances there is a reversal at the stock may be very good. Let us keep on going up and forms a doji at the top. There is a reversal would be possible if it is breaks down this level. So we may be expecting down on the stock. So the level for the stock is around, let me calculate what was the level. So 2468 and 2425. So if the stock breaks 24625, the sell we can focus for the reversal. And we keep the stop loss around 2468 above as our stop for the trade, because we are taking this trade instead of buying at the top. So we may try to focus the selling at the top level would be the best opportunity. And looks, this is what a perfect doji at the top HAL. It's showing you HAL, yes, HAL 2468 is the stop, and we can go for a 2425 as a sell reversal where it is happening at the highest level based on the doji which present at the top, right? The second stock which we have seen is a JSW and 𝐾𝐬𝐿. This JSW, let me go for a check. JSW steel, so looks good. There is a possibly reversal as a high, because it is what a near about after a big uptrend from 500 to 660, there is a reversal candle which is happening at the top. So maybe the great opportunity to reversal. The level for that stock is around it's a high around 700 and 685. So 685 is the doji low, so where we can focus for a selling opportunity. That reversal, trend reversal, maybe the candle can give you the confirmation. If it is breaks around 685, the stop loss for the trade is around 701.75 or 702. We keep as a stop, and it's a big stop around 17 points, no problem. But after this trend from 645, almost after 40 rupees rally, maybe the chances to reversal from this stop would be possible on this stock. We can focus tomorrow this stock also. And 𝐾𝐬𝐿, let me go for a 𝐾𝐬𝐿. That is also looks good. Doji at the top. Let's look at this trend. Keep on going higher, and the top of the level it forming a reversal. Let me go for that reversal. Here, yeah, 644 is the entry level for a selling opportunity. So after this up, so we may be expecting down 644 with a stop loss around 606. So these three are looks good. So we can focus these three stocks for tomorrow. How it became the real market. We can go for a trade opportunities in these three stocks. So looks good. And the final one by a shooting star. It's about Haro Pharma. We go to check Haro Pharma. How it is Haro Pharma. And look, this Haro Pharma the shooting star which is present at the bottom of the trend. Okay, so but here the stock already gone the top and it is returned back to the same price, and the shooting star where it is present at the bottom. So if you are going to sell the stock, maybe we are selling at lowest level. So always good is to sell at highest level compared to lowest level. So it is already very flat and narrow range. So this may not be a good shooting star where we are going to focus. It is not looks a good shooting star where I'm not going to take this. So ignore the stock because the shooting star which is happening at the bottom of the level. So these are the stocks which we have got for tomorrow's trade. Some 3 stocks which we got it. And same like that on 45-degree. So we discuss about 45-degree stocks. In this 45-degree we have a top and bottom. Let's look at this 2, 4, 6, 8 till RBL. So what we can focus from this list of stock, or from this list of stock, if anyone which is coming to our scanner tomorrow, so we may be focusing these stocks. You may note these stocks. If from this list some stock which is available tomorrow on the 45-degree, it would be the best opportunity. The stock may continue the trend either in may upside or a downside. So this looks good, and we'll take a screenshot, and tomorrow I will update you how we can go to take a trade. So these are the top 10 stocks. So we are taken out as a screenshot, and tomorrow I will check it out. Is there any opportunity by using this mark? And apart from that, for a positional or investing trade like a 3 candle reversal, so which I find out one is a Z Entertainment, looks it is about not a, it's a long term positional Z Entertainment, which we are going to focus on daily, not daily, weekly basis. It's a weekly basis. And let's look at this. Here it is this one which I find out based on the scanner only. Here also you can check it out, the lowest level hammer. Look at 222, 200 is the risk, and now it moves towards 269. If you are focusing higher time frame, like not only daily, weekly, monthly also, the great chances. As per the weekly scenario, 1, 2, 3, it is a 3-bar reversal. The first one spinning top, it is triggered out on zeal, that has already given you buy entry, and there is a doji. If it is breaks above the high, even it is a another confirmation. And but this setup, this 3 setup, the 3-bar reversal, this is happening at weekly basis. 3-bar reversal at weekly, maybe not for an intraday, and it is also not for a short-term position. It is a long-term position. Let's look at this, the 3-bar reversal which is happening on the stock at the bottom, right? So how I'm saying this is a bottom previous trend. Let's look at this here around 377, and it is almost coming towards 200, and now it is 260. From the top, if you are comparing to the top, it is already down, and there is a chances recovery, and maybe positionally it may go up. So based on weekly time frame, this is a 3-bar reversal on weekly time frame which is happening on Z Entertainment, right? And the second one which we are going to focus is the Bharat Petroleum, BPCL. So BPCL also forms a 3-bar reversal. Look at this 1, 2, 3, and this 3-bar reversal would be a more powerful reversal. So like we can go for a positional trading, not about trading, investing. So after almost 500 level, it fallen down to 338, which gives you the weekly reversal. That is what 3-bar reversal which is happening at the bottom. So the 3-bar reversal that is already triggers you the entry, but this is what the setup by this is a hanging man at the bottom. There is a upside reversal is possible, that is already given you entry, and we focused the entry point for the bullish 3-bar reversal is around 341.55, and the stop loss is 320.5. so where we are going to focus for an investment kind of trade is 341.55 based on a 3-bar reversal on weekly. And also we seen from 500 the stock fallen down to 320, we are focusing it for, and that stop loss for the traders we can keep our 320. That would be the best idea for the stock where you are going to make a positional trade on that particular bar BPCL. Previous is 500, right? And this would be the trade based on 3 bar reversal on weekly basis, and daily basis we didn't get any stocks on 3 bar method. And doji and a hammer, that 3 stocks we can focus for tomorrow's trade, and this based on this 45-degree angle. So let me find out tomorrow if any stock which is available on this list, if it is available on tomorrow's trade, would be a even better chances to make money. So I hope you understand the concept where we are focusing it for. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any questions, just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly subscribe it. Thank you so much.